The man buckets and racks are critical pieces of equipment on any TMA or safety truck, and maintaining this equipment is very important. Let me show you how and why. You will want to use a penetrating spray lubricant and apply it weekly to the following components for best operation.
Spring-loaded pins on the racks and man bucket, rack latches, and hinges on the racks, man buckets, and toolbox if you have the double-wide man bucket. Greasing the hinges on the racks and gate ensures proper operation and reliability. Hinges that are neglected over time can rust and seize.
If you have a truck equipped with a fixed or hydraulic rear man basket, it too must be regularly maintained.
On both the fixed and hydraulic basket, the spring-loaded latches on the two side gates and red center gate should be sprayed with white lithium grease. On the fixed basket, you will find 4 jacks with 1 grease point on each that should be greased with EP1 or EP2. On the hydraulic basket, there are 2 rollers on the hydraulic lift with a grease point on each that also must be regularly maintained with EP1 or 2.
Maintaining the man buckets and racks on your truck is a vital piece of preventative maintenance. Not only will it increase the lifespan, but it will keep the truck out on the road working hard when you need it most.